Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful home decorating ideas that you can use to decorate any room in your home. Some of the items that I use are these picture frames that I got from Dollar Tree. I use 3 of these. I also use this diamond wrap. I also use 4 candlestick holders and 2 glass bowls. For a complete list of the items I use, please check the description box. So for my first home decorating idea, I used the picture frames. I took them apart and then I spray painted them with this pretty gold color. Let me show you what it looks like. I really like the way it turned out because it's kind of like a really sparkly gold color. So it's really pretty. And then I took the backing of the picture frame and I removed this part right here. Then I took the white paper that came with it and I glued it right on top. You can use a nice decorative paper if you like, but I just decided to use this plain white paper. And then I put the picture frame back together without the glass. Next, I'm going to take 2 of these yellow flowers and I'm going to glue them on my frame. I'm going to glue them on opposite corners right here. And for this, I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. But before gluing them, I'm going to cut this part right here. I'm just going to use my scissors to cut that out so that the flowers will lay flat. Now I'm going to use some of this greenery to add to my picture frames, and you can use any greenery. These are some of the leftover greeneries that I have from other flowers, and I cut a few of these and I'm going to glue them around the flowers. So let me show you what it looks like. I put all 3 of them together, and this is a very easy, very inexpensive way that you can decorate your home. They turned out really beautiful. For my second home decorating idea, I'm using this beautiful wine decanter, and I found this at a thrift store. You can go to any thrift stores and find beautiful bottles, and I'm gonna paint it white, and I'm gonna be using this foam roller because it gives me a really nice coverage. Now I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna give it a second coat. To speed up the process, you can use our hair dryer to dry the paint. Okay, let me show you how my bottle turned out now that the paint is completely dry. Now I'm going to take this 1-inch painter's tape and I'm gonna wrap it around the neck of the bottle because I want to create a yellow stripe on the neck of the bottle. And to create my stripe, I used a yellow acrylic paint. And now that the paint is dried, I'm going to remove the painter's tape. Next, I'm going to be using this diamond wrap. The one that I showed you in the beginning is really beautiful, and I'm going to use it to frame that yellow stripe. So this upper part here is a little bit wider, so my diamond wrap keeps going up. So I'm going to have to cut it in pieces, and then I'm going to glue each individual piece. Now here's the finished product, and I am in love with this bottle. It looks so pretty. It looks very high-end. And now for the final touch, I'm going to add this yellow flower that I looks really beautiful. I got this one for Walmart, and now this looks like a very expensive vase. And for my home decorating idea number 3, I'm going to be using this yellow paint. I'm going to color my bowls with it, and I'm going to cover these bowls with 2 coats. Now let me show you how my bowls turned out now that the paint is completely dry. This is a very pretty yellow. This is great for spring and summer. These are great decorating ideas for your spring home decor. And now I'm going to decorate my bowls with the diamond wrap. And what I did for this, I cut several pieces, and this is how I'm going to glue them on the opening of my bowl. I'm just going to bend them and glue a part inside and the other one outside. And for this, I will be using my hot glue gun. Let me show you how beautiful this looks. I'm telling you, this looks very high-end. Now I'm going to decorate the second one. Now these two beautiful candle holders are absolutely gorgeous on their own, but I'm going to take it a step further and I'm going to take these two candlestick holders, I'm going to glue them together, I'm going to paint them white, and then I'm going to decorate them with the diamond wrap. And now let me show you how beautiful my candlestick holders turned out. They look amazing. Next, I'm going to glue my balls to the candlestick holders. For this video, I'm using my hot glue gun, but you should use a strong glue like the E6000 or a Gorilla epoxy glue. Look how gorgeous these candle holders turned out, you guys. They turned out super cute. Also, at the end of this video, I will link to a couple of more videos so that I can give you a couple of more ideas on how to decorate for spring. Alright you guys, if you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.